Hi, Svelte family. I'm Paula. I'm a 56-year-old proud mom of 11, grandma of 4, and living proof that it is never too late to transform your life. When I started with Svelte in 2020, I never imagined that I would actually lose 40 pounds and 24 inches so fast, or that I would join this amazing team someday. But here I am, and I am ready to help you transform too. So let's get to it. Our first move starts now. So let's start 5 core and belly fat burning exercises right now. Each exercise we do will be for 30 seconds, and our first one is our high knees with high arms. So just as it says, high knees, flexing our feet, keeping our arms up high, close to our ears, marching. Keep that core tight, that core really cinched in, belly button to your back, and keep marching. Three, 2, and 1. Next, we have a squat cross crunch. Our feet are shoulder width apart, hands behind our head. Squat, cross, and crunch. Each time you squat, make sure your knees do not cross over your toes, and try to keep your weight centered in your heels. Keep that back flat, shoulders up, head up. Three, 2, and 1. Next, we have an oblique crunch. Hands behind our head, elbows down to our knees. Really focusing on crunching down on those obliques on the sides. Keeping that core tight again. If you can't get your knees up, plant your feet and really pull down to the side. Keep that core tight. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Next, we have a torso twist. Arms up. You twist your torso from each side, keeping your hips facing the front. You can follow your hands along with your head, but if this makes you dizzy in any way, you can keep your head facing the front as well. Keep breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Tighten that core. 3, 2, and 1. Now our last exercise on this routine is called a kick crunch. Just stand with your arms out to the side, crossing over and touching your toes with the opposite hand, the opposite foot. Remember, you're pulling your legs up. We're not bending down, not squatting or crunching down, but you're lifting those legs. It's your abdominals, muscles that are really pulling here and lifting those legs. That's what you're wanting. If your hands can't touch your toes, that's okay. Touch your shins or your knees. Everyone's flexibility is a little different. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. You just finished your first round. We're gonna jump right into round 2. Let's get right into round 2. 30 seconds, high knees.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Keep that core tight. Three, 2, and 1. Great job. Right into that squat cross crunch. Almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Let's go right into that oblique crunch. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Three, two, one. Great job. Right into that torso twist. Keep breathing. Core tight. 3, 2, and 1. Now that last exercise of the kick crunch, let's get after it. Three, two, one. Excellent job. You finished your second round. Let's go into round 3. 30 seconds, high knees.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Keep that core tight. Three, 2, and 1. Great job. Right into that squat cross crunch. Almost there. Three, 2, and 1. Great job. Let's go right into that oblique crunch. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Three, 2, 1. Great job. Right into that torso twist. Keep breathing. Core tight. 3, 2, and 1. Now that last exercise is a kick crunch. Let's get after it. 3, 2, 1. Excellent job. And that's it. Thank you for joining me today during this amazing belly fat burning routine. I'm Paula, and I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. Please remember to like by hitting the thumbs up icon down below. Also, if you'll leave us a comment and let us know which exercise you enjoyed most, I would love to know that. And subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.